Hello to all. Today I will tell you how you can use GeoMeet app. This app is same like a WhatsApp app. In this app, you can send videos, photos, and text messages to anyone. Now, what is the procedure to installing this app? First, click on the Play Store, and after clicking on the Play Store, type Jiochat. Okay, I already typed it. That's why I did not type. Okay, after that click on the insert button, and the downloading process is started, and it take little bit time to download. Let's check what are the features regarding this app. Okay, these are the features, and like HD video call and HD video and voice call. And note that proudly I wanted to say that it's an Indian app, not that please install this app. Okay, because it's a Indian app, and this app also have a thousand of local Indian stickers while chatting. Okay, and you can create large group up to 500 members. Okay, and create 5 member conference on GeoChat. You can create a 5 member, maximum of 5 member conference while video calling. Okay, after that there are many of the emoticons in this app, like Hindi, Bengali, Punjabi, Malayalam, Tamil, Telugu, Gujarati. These all are the stickers available, and also have branded channels like news, astrology, travel, movies, and so on. Many of the channels are also there. Video stories, like the feature have in like we can use feature in WhatsApp. That feature is, I think, status. Okay, in this video stories, all major Indian language, like all these languages are spotted by Geo, like uh, Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati, Punjabi, Bengali, Kannada, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Bengali, and all these language are spotted by uh, this GeoChat app. And note that this Geo chat last update of GeoTap chat is 5 June 2020, and these are the maximum number of downloads by any person. Okay, it's a Reliance corporate IT Mark Park Limited company who created this app. Okay, let's check. It take little bit time because of the slow internet speed. That's why it take little bit time to download. Okay, as you can see, my app is installed, and not that click on the open button. Okay, virus scanning is going on. Okay, click on the open button, and after clicking on the open button, you can see this window appears, and GeoChat account is setting up. It take a while to for registration process, and we select our country. First of all, please select the country or search the country. We need to search from here. Okay, please search the country India. Okay, after that enter the mobile number. After that click on the accept and continue button. You will receive a OTP, that means one time password. Copy that OTP, and after copying the OTP, no need to copy the OTP. It's automatically, this app or automatically fetch the OTP from our number. Okay, allow the contacts, allow the photo and media. These all are the permissions want needed by Jiochat. Okay, enter the name. If you want, you can also enter, you can also add the snap from here. Okay, okay, I will do it later. You can add the snap here. Okay, click on the OK button, and it take a little bit time to setting up your account. This is same like a G WhatsApp. This is same like a WhatsApp. Okay, from here you can get the stories regarding any topic. Okay, you can select the channel that you needed, and these all are the channels, these all are the channels that you can follow. Okay, these all are the channels that you can follow, so that you can get videos or any other notification regarding this. Okay, this is the method to install the app and to register the app in GeoChat. Okay, thank you very much.